Good morning, afternoon, evening, whatever the time is, wherever you are. I'm one silent with a double N, two N, twice N, and everything in between. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys this look that I did. I lost a lot of clips from it, and I didn't want to post it, but I was like, what else? And just so basically just enjoy, sit back, relax, subscribe, like this video, and let's get into the shenanigans. So we're gonna start off with a clean face with no makeup, just showing you her skin with no makeup and nothing at all. Kind of dry. So I started off by moisturizing her lips and putting some lip oil on her lips. Kind of like to set it before I start, and also primed her face bit by bit. And here I'm trying to match the foundation on her skin to see whether or not it matches. Looks a little bright on camera, but it's not this bright, I promise you guys. Now I'm blending it with a damp beauty sponge, and as a result of it all blended out. And then I'm going in with a lighter concealer, nothing too crazy, and using this blending brush to conceal her nose and under her eyes and her forehead. Basically just blending it into the skin over and over again. And then I'm using this precise brush to set under her eyes. And then also using another precise brush, I am carving out her nose contour. Basically just set the nose where I put the concealer and just carving out the sides of the nose. And here's the result when I'm done. I quickly went off camera and I just brushed off and applied some blush to the face, and also went and did her eyes, her eyebrows, and concealed her eyes. Now I'm reverse contouring, kind of like snatching. Then I quickly went to her eyes. And basically, the main color for the eye look is I'm using a very warm tones, which is pink and orange, kind of going in between shades to basically patting and blending. I'm basically patting the pink at the outer corner of the eyes, and then I'm using the orange to blend it in, kind of sharing it out. I don't want it to be too bright pink, but that's just the essence of what I did. Really just blending over and over and over again, and just turning her head with energy. So I'm just going over and making sure there are no harsh lines, just blending and blending, just dab and blend basically in any order you want to use it, seriously. And yeah, I went and did the other eyes quickly. And then for the inner corner, I really actually wanted to take it all the way over the eyelids, but I figured it'd be too intense, noting the shade of lipstick I wanted to use, so decided to go in with a nude shade on the inner corners of the eyes. Her skin toned shade, kind of loud neutral, and basically I'm just blending it in. And using the nude to blend the other corners of the eyes to make it look seamless. And then I went in the outer corner of the eye kind of to intensify the outer corner, and I kind of mix it with the red and pink and just went over and just basically just blended my cuts out. And then I used a non-liquid eyeliner, black eyeliner, to line her eyes really close to her lash line. And then I went in the inner corners of her eyelash space, kind of like to fill in a gap and make everything black and seamless. Yeah, I also went and did the other eye off camera. I wanted to wing it out, but I just thought not to because I was using a lot of really fluffy lash. And then I went in the inner corner with a wide base. And quickly off camera, I lost the clip, but I went under the eye with the same shadows I went on the eye with, the eyelid with. I don't know what's going on, but basically here I'm coating her bottom lashes with mascara and her upper lashes to make it look thick and full and lush. And yeah, it's the result. And quickly I did a glitter liner on her eyelid, kind of add a little bit more. These are the lashes I'm using, and I just quickly put them on. And then I went in the inner corner and I put I highlighted her inner corners, and then I'm highlighting her nose, just blended it in, and her cheekbones. Now I'm using a brush to line her lips with a dark wine color. I wanted to go in with the red, but on the second thought I decided to use this color to blend out the red. And then I'm going with the fire red in the inner corners. I'm just gonna blend it in, and it's all blended seamlessly. And then I'm using a concealer to carve out and kind of clean the edges of her lips. And yeah, this is the final look. This look was really hectic, and you could tell that I really did not like prepare for it, because seriously there was a lot of things that went wrong. I lost a lot of clips. Yeah, so basically the look was really chaotic, but I really loved how it turned out. The cameras were just out of the box, but I quickly went on camera and I did her hair, and yeah, this is the final look. Looks really gorgeous and really not how I envisioned it. Sorry. It turned out good. I love the eyes. Give you guys a quick zoom of the eyes and the lips. And the lighting was really bad in this video, so please pardon me, but I just want to show you guys on the makeup look on a cool and warm lighting setup. Basically, this is a look. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like more content like this, and also do well to comment, share this video, and also a quick thumbs up. I already said that before, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.